Hey guys, Jose here from 3 Pillar Self-Defense. Today we're going to be going over how to do the roundhouse kick, and I have my brother Alejandro here to assist me. Here I'm going to be demonstrating the roundhouse kick going at regular speed, starting with my right leg and then moving on to my left. Notice that whenever I throw the roundhouse kick, I am going to rotate completely on my lead leg. My lead leg is going to be facing my target, and then it's going to face directly behind me. I start first by stepping a little bit with my lead leg, lifting my opposite leg, and then swinging all the way through. I also, whatever leg I'm throwing the kick with, that same side hand is going to swing down while my other hand goes up to my face to block from any counterattacks. Here I'm just demonstrating how the roundhouse kick can be used to the thigh, to the knee, also to the midsection, and lastly over to the head.